Hello, in this video we're gonna check if a ZTE Blade V40s have a fingerprint sensor. And to do this, first let's open up our settings. Here we want to find security or biometrics. It's a password and security settings, and right here there's no option for a oh, there is one, so it's on the top right there. And that would confirm this device have a fingerprint sensor. Now let's just see where it is. Register, and here we can find that this device have a fingerprint sensor. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.